In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enhance blurry images in Photoshop. So to begin, drag the image that you want to enhance towards this plus sign here to duplicate it. Select the new layer that's at the top and change its blend mode from normal to linear light. Now go to the filter menu, other, then click on high pass. Change the radius to 3 pixels and then click OK. It's the classic technique to sharpen images basically. And what you want to do right now is select the same layer, the layer that's at the top, and click on create a new mask. If your mask is set to white, you can click on it and hit Ctrl I on the keyboard to invert it. Now make sure that the foreground color is set to black, and we're going to activate the brush tool and set the flow to 100% and set the hardness at 0, and we're going to brush over the image. And as you can see, if we hide or unhide the layer that's at the top, you can see the difference made, and you can see that the image is much sharper. We could also duplicate the layer to get much better clarity to our image. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.